Hello everyone, welcome to our Shacman channels, and I'm Tao from Shacman. And today I'm going to introduce you about our H3000 trucks. And this truck right behind me is the H3000 tractor, which is going to be exported to Cambodia. And over there is the H3000 lorry trucks, which is going to be exported to Malaysia, which is the right rudder. So H3000 trucks is mainly used in the middle and long distance transportations, and it is our multifunctional platform. So basically, compared to the X3000, this H3000 is more economical and lighter. So now let's have a look for the cab. At top, we can see the roof lamp is on the sun visor, and the window screen at here, and underneath is the window wiper, which is also permanent magnetic, and our customer can also choose the intelligent wipers, which can changing the wiping frequency due to the rainfalls. And also we can have a look at this light. We can see the light is equipped with the LED day running light, and also the multi-curved design can make the beam wider and brighter. Okay, now let's have a look of the grille. Let's open it. So we can see that behind this grille, we can see this is the circuit protector, which is waterproofed, and also this is the expansion tank, which can add the coolant at here. And this is the fly net, also can prevent the insect coming to the engine, also dust proof. And at here, it is the brake oil. And this design is really convenient for drivers to maintain their cars before driving. They can check the car conditions. They can check whether the machine oil is okay or not. And also, they can check the flood is enough or not. This is the front air suspension at here. We can see it here. And now, let's have a look at the left side of the trucks. Now let's have a look of our left side. So this is the front axles, and basically it's the 7.5 tons. And let's have a look of our power assembly at here. Our power assembly is so-called the industrial golden chains, and we use the WeChat engines, the fast transmissions, and also the Honda axle at here. And this WeChat engines is 4 volt, 10 liters. And the maximum power can achieve to 340 horsepower. So according to our customer needs, we can also change it to up to 400 horsepower. And this is the fast transmissions, and we can also change it to the Eaton's. And here is the batteries, which is the 165 amperes. And here is the pedals. So handles at here. So when the drivers want to go onto the catwalk to work, so we can step here. The height is okay enough, and just stand here to working. And okay, and follow me. This is the mud guard, and we use the 12R 22.5 vacuum tires. And this kind of tires has low lowering resistance, which can make sure the trucks can travel in a high speed. And at here we can see this anti-splash over here. At here we can see this is the working light at here. And the rear axle, we can see this is the double reduction axles, which help the drivers to climb the uphills more powerfully and coming through the bumper road. Yeah. And let's go to the left side of the truck. Here is the lift springs at here. And we can see this is the enhanced versions. It has 12 pins at here. So basically, this truck's gonna travel in the really complicated road conditions. So not only it will travel in the highway, but also it's gonna travel in the construction site or some really bad road conditions. So it is kind of the combined versions of H3000. You can see from the double reduction axles and also this enhanced version of lift springs. So this is the fifth wheels, and we used 90s fifth wheels at here. And normally for the tractor, we use the plate at here is a rift shaped but this truck is a combined version. So we designed it here using the flat plate, which is more powerful to loading the trailers, the cargoes at here. Okay, as we see at here, this is the aluminum case fuel tank, and this is the two-strip design. And the aluminum case is lighter, and also it is anti-rusted, and it can make the oil more clean. And here is the fleet guard air filters. So basically, the air take in and then through these filters and come to the engines. And as we can see at here is the tilter. Also have the two models, the hand models at here. We adjust this to the normal positions and use stick to tilt the cars. And also we have this electrical tilting mode. And here from the side view, we can see that this cap is narrower than the H3000 cap. So basically this truck is the economical versions. And here we can see this is the 3-step pedals, and the height is appropriate for me to climb on it. And also we can see here is the rear mirror, and we can add the configurations of the electrical adjustment and also the electrical heatings at here. Okay, I think that's all for these tractors. Now let's have a look of our lorry trucks at here. As we can see, this lorry truck is double front axle, and also the exhaust pipe is in the upper positions, which can save a lot of space on the chassis. As we can hear, this is the winch engines, and the maximum power can achieve to 430 horsepower. And here is our AMT fast transmissions, and if our customer needs, we can change it to AT also. And also is the aluminum case, which is lighter, and heat dissipation is really good. As we can see, this lorry truck chassis has a really long wheelbase at here, and it can be easily modified into some specific trucks. For example, the water tank trucks, the oil tank trucks, or the refrigerator trucks, and which is very suitable for the urban transportations. Here is the rear working light at here. This is the LED light, and also we can see this is the grid protector. So when the stones on the road like splash at here, so this grid can help the grid not be destroyed by these small stones. And we can see the tire. We can see that the diameter of the tire is much smaller than the tractor over there, because this smaller diameter tires can make the vehicle's weighting point much lower and make the whole vehicle more stable, and it can be more suitable in the urban transportations. And here we can see is the fleet guard air filter at here. Usually the air take in and come through these filters and come into the engines. And here, let's go inside the truck to have a look. So basically this is the right rudder truck. So we're gonna step at this side. So this is also the 3-step pedals and the handles at here, right positions. And we open it, and we can see there's also a handle at here. So now I'm going to get in to have a look. So sitting at this right rudder truck is kind of feeling different actually. And we can see that although the cap of the H3000 is smaller than the X3000, but we can see that actually this space I think is big enough for our drivers to drive, to work at here. So I would like to introduce this sensor specifically, and this is a kind of light sensor, and it can automatically turn off, turn on the light. So basically in the daylight when we're driving, so these sensors can automatically turn off the light, and during the night when it's getting dark, the sensors can automatically turn on the headlight and also adjust the brightness due to the darkness. And here we can see this is the AMT fast gears, and we can change the gears really easily and smoothly at here. Really good. So let's have a look for the fuse. So this is the kind of ET fuse. So for the normal fuse, when it is broken, so we need to change it again. But for this kind of fuse, when the malfunction is fixed, so we can just click it, tick it, and we can reuse this fuse again. Here's the radios, and also we can put some CDs we like at here. And here is the air conditioner. It's the climate control air conditioner, which can make sure the cab in the really comfortable temperatures. And here we can see this is the button of the electrical window lifting at here. Okay. And this the other side windows buttons. Okay. Over here we can see is the single bunker at here, and the width is about 700 and 800 millimeters. And also here we can see the curtains at here, so we can use the curtains when the light is too strong, so make sure the drivers can have a good sleep. Okay, I think that's all for this H3000 lorry trucks interior. So let's going out. Okay, coming out. Okay. Okay, I think that is all for our H3000 today. And our Shacman has a really good product, and we also have really good service policies. And right now we have 380 after-sales network in the international market, and also we have 115 after-sales engineers, and also we have the 2,900 local service staff, and it gives our customer a good support for the after sales. And also moreover, we can, according to the customer needs, we can give the customized plan for the product and also the service. So that is all for today, I think, and I'm looking forward to you to come to our Shacman to have a look, and hoping I can see you one day. Thank you.